Today is the day we're going to do the second application of fertilizer for the year. You can see the grass is coming along nicely, definitely flourishing. This is kind of when it's at its best. Anyway, today what we're going to be applying is this weed and feed product from Scott's, and it works really good to just not only feed the lawn but clear out any weeds that may have started growing. Got a few, not too many. You know, if you have a healthy lawn, it really keeps the grass, or the grass really helps keep the weeds out. Got the spreader ready to go. The thing that I really like about Scott's product here is how fine of a granule it is. So it really gets on the leaves of the weeds and sticks to them, and provides really effective coverage, I think. Now, one important trick to know, and it's listed on the back of the bag, but your grass needs to be moist. So in my case, we didn't have any rain or anything, so we're going to fire up the sprinklers here for just a second. It doesn't need to be very long, just enough to kind of get the grass wet, and that way that fine granule that is in that fertilizer, it can stick to the weed leaves a little easier and better that way. So anyway, we're gonna wet this whole area down here, and then we're gonna proceed to spread. So okay, there we go. Got that down. So we'll come back in a couple of weeks and show you the results. If you like these kinds of videos, be sure and leave a like and subscribe, and we'll catch you the next time. Thanks, guys.